Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting Clay to your main data sources so automation has real inputs. Once connected, define a tight target profile, industry, role, and company size, because precision drives quality. Next, build the first workflow, a trigger that captures prospects, one enrichment step to add emails and titles, and a single follow-up action like adding to a list. Do this now. It's the minimal pipeline that produces usable leads fast and prevents noisy data later. Once the basic pipeline runs, focus on enrichment and filtering to improve conversion. You'll add steps that append emails, phone numbers, company details, and social links. This increases contactability. Then apply filters to remove duplicates, bad domains, or non-target industries so your outbound isn't wasted. Make sure to set rate limits and schedule batches daily or hourly to avoid API blocks and lower bounce rates. Fine-tuning these middle steps makes your Clay lead generation reliable and scalable. To finish, connect the enriched list to your outbound channel, sync to CRM, start an email sequence, or export to an ad audience. You'll monitor deliverability, reply rate, bounce percentage, and conversions so you know what to adjust. If results are poor, first check authentication and API quotas, then inspect filter logic that might be excluding valid leads. Make incremental changes and rerun small batches. That way you identify the root cause quickly and maintain steady lead flow without breaking the pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.